Hello friends, we're in the car. So I just got in here and today's video, we are starting it in the car because I am heading to go to my mother's house. We're going to go to the store and get some bins. I want to reorganize the house. I've been wanting to do this for a while and we just recently put some of our shoes in the closet inside. So I want to get some bins for like hats, mitts, scarves, all that stuff for up top. So we're gonna do that, and then I want to get some stuff that'll fit into my underneath my sink type of thing for the kitchen and the bathrooms. So if you're watching this because you want to reorganize your house, then I hope this inspires you to get a little bit more organized. So let's go get the stuff and get organized. Yay! Okay, you guys, we are back and we got the goods. So I'm gonna quickly show you what I got. I got these for under the cupboard to hopefully organize some of the pots and pans or like lids or whatever we wanna organize with those. I got these, they like pop up for the closet. I got 3 of those. Hats, mitts, and scarves at the top of the closet. Then I got a bunch of like little knick-knacky thingies. I got more knick-knack thingies. These ones, oh, I got Brandon a chocolate bar. I got these because they were cute. I got these to put underneath the sink in the bathroom. Bathroom. And I got these for underneath the sink in the kitchen because I thought these were good for cleaning. I'm definitely gonna need more. That's it for now. I'm going to start organizing down here, so I'm gonna organize the underneath the sink first. Okay, you guys, so this is underneath my cabinet before I get started. So if you just open this up, this is what it looks like. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it would look, so that is good. I'm already hopeful. So we're going to tidy this up. So let's get started. Oh, my pants are so tight. Okay, this is like a chew thingy. We don't have puppies anymore, so they don't usually chew our stuff. Or like pee control. So I don't know why we have that. So everything's out, well, mostly, but it's like really dirty under here, so I'm just gonna clean it, and then I will show you guys once I put the stuff back. So I will be back once I'm all cleaned up. Okay, this is my before of what it looks like, and now I'm going to put the stuff back in. So task number 1 is complete. This is what it looks like now. So I have this bin that just has like cleaning supplies in it, but like my garbage bags, Clorox wipes, all that. And then in here I have just like magic wipes, stuff to clean around the house. And then I just put a lid that we weren't using because I didn't get a tray for in here, but I have my oil and my vinegar because I don't want them to leave a ring or leak or anything. So I just did that. And it looks so much better. Those are just garbage bags that are small. Then those are the garbage bags we actually use. So that one is complete, and these have little handles, so you can actually just pick it up and take it out if you wanted to use it. Okay, my legs are so sore from my workout that this is very difficult for me to bend down. But I'm going to try to organize in here. Oh, such a mess. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And there's just like no method to this at all. So I'm going to try to take those racks that I showed you and put them in here and organize it a little bit more. Okay guys, this one is also complete. So this is what it looks like. For now, I might have to reorganize because I still have all of these things that don't fit, but I don't really want them in here. I want this just to be pots and pans. So I have the lids organized nicely, pans. This pan is honestly garbage, it never works. And then all the other stuff that's a little bigger down there. So nice and organized. Now I have to find a spot for a heat like these in there, so we'll see. Okay guys, this is one I'm gonna need you to say a prayer for me because this is a disaster. A complete disaster. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna organize this, but I'm definitely gonna put this in the basement because we never use it. So have it down there for when we actually want to use it and just organize everything else. So let's do that. But there it is, all cleaned up, so much better. I organized some more stuff. So this is what this looks like now. Much better. I don't know, I think it looks organized. I don't know what y'all think, but
definitely a lot better.
Better than it was, yeah. And then this is like hot mugs, travel mugs, wine glasses that we don't use. I cleaned in here. This is all clean. These are better. I used one of these for all my paper straws. Okay, this is the closet as of right now. So we have those. I'm just gonna get a label thingy and label them like hats, mitts, scarves, so we know. Brandon's gonna help me. Okay, so we're just upstairs and we're going to quickly do our bathroom and just organize it a little bit. We actually have people coming tomorrow to clean our house, which is nice because we're doing a little promo for them. So I want it to be a little bit more organized so that once they clean it, it's clean and organized. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. This is a disaster. Organized chaos. Less chaos, but still chaos. And more chaos. So we're going to organize and we'll be back and show you the final results once it's all done because we have to leave, so hopefully we can do this really quick. Okay, 6 o'clock, so we have to rush do this. I will tell you guys once we're all done. Ready, set, go. What's next?
This is all that's left of mine.
What?
Well, this random stuff here.
This is yours too.
What is that?
The blackhead remover, like mask.
Uh-huh. Wow, look how organized you are.
I'm so organized.
Keep it this way.
Excuse me.
What the?
Fight you. Okay, you guys, this is underneath the sink. This is after we cleaned it. So back there we just have body washes, face masks, and some like baby powder. Then in here we have my body lotion, some self tanners, and then in here we have just like mouthwash and coconut oil. And back there we just have extra soap and all that. In here, these are nice and clean. And that one is all clean as well. And that's the after. Okay guys, so I think that's gonna be everything for today's video. Just a little bit of organization and all that. I still have my other bathroom to do, so I need to get more bins for that. And I definitely want the next thing I do in the house is going to be to set up all the pictures and all that. So if you guys want to see that, if you like these types of videos, let me know and we can definitely do another one. But I think that is everything. So with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day, week, month, or year. I love you, and remember to always be nice to people. Bye.